plus 3. We want to find a value that gives us x. So with this, we can able to find other two values. Because from here, we can get x. From here, x equals to 1 because the cross equals this side. From here, let me just finalize everything. I want to take it up. Can I get this side? Yes. Or let me use this other side. I don't want to clean it. This part is very beautiful. I don't want to clean it up anyhow. So from that point, we have that x minus 1 equals 0, or what? 2x minus 1 equals to 0, or what? X plus 3 equals to 0. You minus crossing, what do you have? X will now be equals to 1, or 2x equals to 1 is 1 plus, or x equals to minus 3. That's that x equals to 1. X equals to 1 over 2, if 1 comes down, x equals to minus 3. So that's the 3 factors of the polynomial. Let's check whether we have kind of answer in that business. That is option B, 1 over 2 and minus 3 to any court of law. That is the answer. So we've been able to get question number 8 successfully. Now question number 9 is matrix. Question number 9 is matrix. I think I'm going to this off. Yeah. So this is kind of the maths.
It's reflecting on the sun, right?
Can I turn it like this?
I'm going to give you 5 minutes each for question session. But since I'm doing past questions, let me just brush it up. If it was the next topics, we have questions. Fine. It's important, but I don't remember. When I don't remember things of the war. So the next question is question number 9. Oh, math is very sweet, man. When you solve, the answer comes out.
It is very sweet, though. It's true.
If you have any mathematics, that you have been suffering you for more than 100 years, please just snap it in the comment section. When I come back from break, I will disgrace that math for you. Any math, whether you are in SS1, SS2, SS3, whether you are in year 1, year 2, final year, you are doing PhD, you are doing masters, whatever mathematics is mathematics, it doesn't have boundaries. Just drop a question, let's disgrace. Now, question number 9. If the matrix, write the matrix for you. 4, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2, minus 2, 1, 1 is a singular matrix. Find the value of x. Listen to that statement. It said this matrix is a singular matrix. Singular matrix, the determinant of a singular matrix is equal to 0. That's the principle you need to understand first. So if you find the determinant of this matrix, you have different versions of finding determinants here. You can use the Poggins rule, you can use the Saros rule. There are so many versions. You can apply cofactor. So if you want to find matrix of this, you remember we want the cofactor of the matrix. You have the A11, A12, A13. Why I don't really want to go straight to solve the question. I want to explain so that you can understand the other topics and other questions. So if you have A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. In a version of a cofactor, using the minor, minus 1 to the power of I plus j. Now the I is the row, this is row and column. So at this point, what you do is that if you want to find the determinant of this, notice always plus minus plus, plus minus plus. This plus minus plus, plus minus plus minus, and plus minus plus. So for A11, the plus, so since you want to find the determinant, this is a plus, minus, and plus. Determinant. I want you to show you what we want to do. So at this point, I want to find the determinant. I can use the first row here. You can also use second row to find the determinant. I use the third row. You can use the first column. You can use any way you can use it to have the same answer. So this is the first row there, whereby we have 4. If you take 4 out, please look up so that you can explain how to find determinant. Look at this 4. When you bring down the 4, it's positive here. What you have in the row and the column is not needed. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
The row and the column. What's down left is down what? 0, 2, 1, 1. And this place is a minus. You have a minus 1. So from that point, we have minus 1. The row and the column is not needed. So this and this, we don't need. So what do we have? 1, 2, this. 1, 2, minus 2, and 1. Take the plus 3. Plus 3. This, the row of the 3, and the column of the 3 is not there. What do we have? 1, 0, minus 2, and 1. Let me explain again to a very simple way to a layman to understand. So if you have this, you want to find the determinant of this value. That means that this version here will now give us what? 4 into with this. 0 times 1 is what? 0. Minus 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 1 into 1, 1 times 1, 1. Minus 2 times minus is what? Minus 4. This one is happening here. You multiply, determinant means if you have A, B, C, D, determinant is A times D minus C times B. So this is this times this minus this times that. So 0 times 1 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2. Bring minus 1. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Then minus 2 times minus is minus 4. Plus 3 into 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 2 times 0 is what? 0. So you have here 4 into minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is plus. So 1 plus 4 is what? 5. Plus 3 into 1. So 4 times minus 2 minus 8. Minus 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. Then 3 times 1 is what? 3. So minus 8 minus 5 is minus 18. Minus 18 plus 3 is minus 10. If you are asked to find the determinant of this matrix, this is what you do. But in this particular question, what I was doing is I was removing the value of x there, so that you understand what I'm doing. But in this particular question that they ask, what they do is that they remove this value. Please, I need a piece of paper so I can explain what I'm doing. I need a piece of paper. Let me use this. Because most of you don't understand. Let me do magic for you. Right, see what I'm talking about then. I want to bring out this matrix. Find the determinant of this matrix. I call this matrix A. Let's look up here. When, remember that this is plus minus plus, this is not part of the solving. Are you following me? Hello? Yes. When you bring this 4, 4 is in the first row and first column, right? Yes. Is that correct? Yes. So what you have in that row, look up. What you have in that row of 4 in that column of 4 is not needed. What do you see?
0 to 1 1.
0, 2, 1, 1. Look at it. 0, 2, 1, 1. Have you seen that? Now, if you now take out minus 1, which is the first one here. Minus 1 is in this line and this line, have you? Yes. So if you now cover that line of minus 1, both here and here. What do you see?
1, 2, minus 2.
1, 2, minus 2x. 1, 2, minus 2, 1. Have you?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you now bring this 3, it's plus 3. What is that row of 3? And the column of 3, you don't need. What do you see?
0 to 1 1.
Eh?
0 to 1 1.
0 to, sorry, this and this.
1 0 minus 2
1, 0.
minus 2 1.
Is that clear now?
Yes.
Huh? I know most of you like you don't use paper the exam hall. But I assume you are using exam malpractice. Unless you want to fold your answer plate.
Yeah.
You like shortcuts, you like shortcuts.
That's cool.
So from that point, we've gotten this. When we now get that, remember what I told you, that the law of determinants states that you want to find determinants, you multiply this minus that. You don't multiply, it's going to be this side minus that side. So this side multiply, just like saying A times B minus C times. When I use the up, you multiply with the down, see the same thing. So from that point, you see 0 times 1 is 0. 1 times 2. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
The minus is constant, minus 1. Then what else? 1 times 1 is 1 minus 2 times 2 minus 4. Plus 3. 1 times 1 is what? 1 minus times 0 is what? 0. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 1. Minus 1 is plus 1 plus 1 is 5. This is 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 1 times 5 is minus 5. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 8 minus 5 is minus 18. Minus 18 plus 3 is minus 8. This is how we find determinants. But what Jami will do here for you in this particular question is that they remove this place. I guess you see, if you consider this place minus 1 now. Yeah? They remove that place, and what do they put there? Can I get this place?
Yeah.
This is what they put in that question to confuse you. I was looking about today to solve it backward. This is what Jam did for you to confuse you. The same thing, but they just put the 4. This place, they put X, 3, 1, 0, 2, minus 2, 1 and 1. That's the equation they gave. 4x3, 102, minus 2, 1, 1. And now they say that this is a singular matrix. They say, if this matrix is a singular matrix, the determinant equals to what? 0. So we find this equation and find the value of x. Let's look at this one. We are using the unknown to get the known. Eh? So this place now they say is a singular matrix. So that singular matrix, the determinant equals to what? 0. So this place will now be 4x3 102 minus 2 1 1. This symbol is not only the determinant. But the other one was a given expression. They say equals to what? 0. So look at this. We remember the rule plus minus plus, have you?
Yes, sir.
So we now take 4. They can even take this question that is, and they can change this x in maybe most questions in the jam. They can not put the x, they can change positions. You see the same thing. Don't expect to see exactly this. So they can copy and paste. So what you now do is that take the 4, remember the law. When you take the 4 is a plus. The row and the column. No need to use step again, and you understand?
Yeah.
So what do we have there?
0,
0, 2, 1, 1. Beautiful. You are very intelligent. I don't know why you are coming to school. Look at this. Minus x, I mean? This is unknown. Problem of x everywhere. This, I mean, what do we have next?
1 and 2.
1, 2, what else?
Minus 2 and 1.
Minus 2 and 1. You guys are wonderful. What do we have here?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. In plus 3, you don't need this and this. What is down left?
1, 0.
1,
And
0, what? Minus 2
1.
and 1. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So from here, remember the law. This minus that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So 0 times 1.
This is 0.
Right? Is 0 times 1 and 1 times 0 is the same thing.
Yes, sir.
It's what? 0. Minus 1 times 2.
2.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Minus x into 1 times 1.
1. Minus
Minus into minus 2 times 2.
minus 4.
You know why I say put my minus?
Yes, sir.
The minus of the log and the minus that comes with the 4.
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. Yes, sir.
Plus 3 into what?
1 times 1.
1 minus this is what? 0. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So the one is going to be 4 into what is 0 minus 2?
Minus 2.
Huh?
Minus 2.
Minus 2 minus x into minus is plus. So what is 1 plus 4?
5.
That becomes 5. Don't forget that all is equal to 0 equals to 0. Now plus 3 into 1 minus 0
1. Equals to 0.
equals to 0. So 4 times minus 2
Minus 8.
minus 8 minus x times 5
Minus 5x.
minus 5x. Now plus 3 times 1 is what? 3 equals to 0. You see from here you can get the value of x.
Yes, sir.
You've seen the picture already that x will come out without any fear or favor.
Yes, sir.
X must come out because we are going to disgrace x.
We collect like that.
So we collect item 5 minus 5x and stay as a landlord. You know this is minus 8
Yes, plus 6.
plus 3. Let's do it step by step. What's minus 8 plus 3?
Plus minus 5.
Minus 5. Is that true?
Equals to 0.
Equals to 0. Why do you equate it to 0? Because it's a singular matrix. And a singular matrix, the determinant of a singular matrix equals to
0.
Beautiful. So this is going to be minus 5x. This minus going to become what? 5. Ready?
Yes.
So from now, what do we do? Divide through by
5.
minus 5. Now give us minus
5x.
5x over 5 over minus 5 equals to what? 5 over minus 5. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
So therefore minus must have minus. So therefore my x
Equals to
will now equals to what? This counted is how many times 1? That's how equals minus 1. When in math, whether math is in the down or middle or up, is the same minus. So x equals to minus. So let's check. Let's check the answer. Whether we are going to get something like that in this option. Maybe I'm not going to solve math. I just take the question I solve, I check the answer. I don't like using books. Because God has given us a very beautiful brain. And in the proper exercise, we can solve a math at any time. So we have seen in that question number, that was question number 1. That was question number 9. Then that is the C. C is minus 1. That's correct, C. Hope you are not tired.
We are not.
No, sir.
You are going to feel like that in the morning.
Right on, sir.
Very soon I'll remove this my clothes. We are not doing beauty pageants, we are solving maths.
Yeah,
So
okay,
do
sir.
nothing like that this time. Alright, let's go. Question number 10. Don't forget, tomorrow, one of my boy I'm training is a 9-year-old boy. The boy will teach mathematics. He can teach any maths. Just this channel, share this channel, follow. This channel is mathematics throughout this. Saturday is the draw video. I think I can play this off for you.
Possible.
Possible.
This place is hot. Hey, increase
We
the
are doing
smile.
experiments.
This time.
Okay. Now the next question is question number 10. Question number 10. example of this says, solve the inequality 2x plus 5 divided by 2 minus x plus 4 divided by 3 is less than 3x minus 7. I love this math. I love it. So in this question, you can agree with me that is an inequality. Let me say that. We have a constant value of x written in the left hand side. We also have a constant value of y in the right hand side. So what we now do is that we find the LCM. Are you following me? We find the LCM of the left hand side. And we now find the LCM of the left hand side. We can now equate and find the corresponding value of x is a process. So this one is going to give us the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Somebody can ask me, how do we get 6 as LCM? This is what we do. You can write your 2, write your 3, draw a line and come a common factor between the 2 and 3. The common factor then is used to 2 goes into how many times? 1. 2 goes into 3 cannot. I mean, you now use 3. Is that true?
Yeah.
3 goes into 1. 1, I mean. 3 goes into 3 is what? 1. So the LCM equals to 2 times 3, which gives us 6. The LCM of 2 and 3 equals to 6. So from there you now say 2 goes into 6. How many times? 3. So you now take that 3 and multiply with the numerator. 2x plus 5. Bring your minus. 3 goes into 6.
2.
Multiply the 2 with, we have 2 into x plus 4. So we now got that value. Don't forget it's the sign. It's the sign that will be here. That is less than. Most of you are confused on the sign of less than greater than. This is, look at this my hand now. Where's my left hand? This is my left. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
My left. But this minus is an embodiment of 2. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So when you want to multiply the minus of minus what? 8. Divided by 6 less than 3x minus 7. You solve about this step by step. There is not a mistake. So from that point, you connect 9 times. There's an x, there's an x, you bring them together. You can get 6x minus 2x. Then plus what? 15 minus 8. Divided by what? 6. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Less than 3x minus 7. This one is untouchable. You have to wait. In mathematics, we go use the complicated side first to bring it down before you can equate it to the other side. So you can say that 6 minus 2 is what?
4x.
You have 4x plus 15 minus 8. What 15 minus 8? Just say 8, 7, not 10, 15, now no waste time. Divided plus what? 7. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Less than what?
Less than
6 will come over here.
Yes, sir.
You now write 6. Open bracket. Around what?
3x.
X minus 7. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So from that point, you open this bracket up by 4x
Plus 7.
plus 7 will be less than, what do you have there?
18x.
18x
Yes. 6 times 7.
minus 6 times 7 is what? 6 times 6 is 86. You gotta add 6 to 8. You got what? 42.
42.
86 plus 4, 42. Eh?
Yes, sir.
See the way you know mathematics, you calculate all the punching. So from that point, you collect like times here. My 4x is the landlord here who stay, so will cross. Okay? Minus 18x. Less than what is left here? Minus 42 is here waiting. So cross what? Minus 7. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So 4 minus 18. Just like saying 18 minus 4, the negative answer is
Minus 14x.
minus what?
14x.
Is less than minus 42 minus what?
Minus 49.
Minus 49. Now, this is a technical question. You know why? Look, listen, anytime you have a sign that you are solving an inequality, you don't do it as a normal inequality sign. Anytime you say negative number, that's why sometimes people will fail this particular question because of that rule. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
In the rule of inequality, if a minus sign cross an inequality sign in a division, this place, if it is a greater than, will turn the word less than. And if it's a less than, will turn the word greater than. Take note of that, it's a very important point. So at this point, if you now want to divide it by minus 14, we are going to get minus 14x over minus 14 less than minus 49 over minus 14. Something will happen in this side. Can never be less than again. Yeah?
Definitely.
You can never still keep less than unless you are really mathematician. You can do that kind of mistake. So you see this one will cancel out this. What do you have?
Yes.
X will now be what? Less than. Minus cancel out minus. This side will not change to what? Greater than. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That's a professional level. So you have greater than 49 over 14. When I do this as a topic, I am going to explain to you fully why the sign has to change in the grand style. So don't miss from Saturday. So from that point you see,
That's
some can cancel here.
7 over 2.
Some can cancel this place.
Yeah.
Some can cancel here how many times?
2 times,
Some how many times?
7 times.
Is that correct? 7 times 7 is 49. Therefore, x will be better than what? 7 over 2. That is what? An improper fraction. So how many do we have in 7?
3.
3. 3 times 2 is 6. No matter what? 1 over 2. That will be 3 whole number. 1 over 2. Don't forget the sign is greater than. We started with less than, but we ended at what? Greater than. Because of the law of inequality that talks about a sign in division. Take note. Let's check the answer. My good people. And see what John will do for you. John will give you the same answer. But you know what they're going to put? They will put x less than will be there. They also put x greater than. You see, you rush and pick this, which is very wrong. So now let's see whether the answer is there. X is greater than 3 whole number.
1 over 2.
That is question.
Number
That is
10.
the B part. That's B. That is B. All right. Now we're able to solve the law number 10. Let's go to question number 11. What's on this type? Please, there's no mistake in typing. You need to be careful so that you don't make mistake. This can back this one. Question number 11. 3 boys share
What?
no less. That was question number 10.
Yeah. We're getting to 11 now.
3 boys share a number of oranges in the ratio ratio of five is to 4 is to 3. That's the ratio. And if the least shade was 9 oranges, the least shade, the least shade was 9 oranges. The question now says, find the number of oranges shade. Find the number of oranges. You can just say number of oranges shade. You can call that n or whatever alphabet of our choice. Now, you see, in this ratio, the least ratio here is 3. But in that ratio, equals to 5 plus 4 plus 3. And if you add 5 plus 4 plus 3, you are going to get 1 5 plus 4 is what? 9. 9 plus 3 is what? That is our ratio. And now they say the least. And the list here is 3. So you have the list, it will be 3. Therefore, means that 3 over theta, which is 12, of the n you are looking for is equals to 9. If the question, you can see, give you this question, I said the highest. If it was the highest, what do you do? 5 over what? 12. N equals to whatever question they give. Because the ratio of what I want to do is that value over the data number. So since they say the data ratio is 12, and they say the list, look at this English list, is the list. So therefore the list 3 over 12 n equals to 9. So at this point you can get the value of n. This is to say that 12 3 over 12 n equals to 9. 3 can cancel itself 1. Okay? Comes how many times? 4. Is that true? So therefore n over 4 will now be equal to 1, 9. What do you have next? You can multiply. That n will now be what? 9 times 4, which gives us what? 86. 9 times 4 is 86. So the n, the number of oranges shade, is what? 86. So at that point, let's check something. If you put this 86 in this place, look at this, look at something. Let's say 3 over 12 n. You want to say number of oranges n here, 86. What do we have? 3 over 12 times 86. Can you cancel 86?
Yeah, 6 times.
How many times?
6 times.
Yeah?
3 times.
This one is 3 times.
9.
The answer is 9. You see, you're working about 9. Yeah? If you want to talk about another one, this is for this guy. You can talk about the middle value here. What do you have? That would be 4 over 12. Times what? 86. Look at this, how many times? 3. 4 times is what? You want to talk about the ratio of this guy, 85. What do we have? 5 over what? Times what? This guy how many times? 3. What's 5 times 3? 15. Okay? Let's add 9 plus 12 plus 15. What do we have? 9 plus 12. Add 9 plus 12 plus 15. 9 plus 12 is 19. 19 plus 15 is
That's
what?
36.
81.
36.
86. So you've gotten back to this guy. Another ratio we do, we still get back. So if the question was the highest, you now give the 5. Now I'm giving you a variety of questions where you can divide it. In JAM now, you can continue to say JAM question, I cannot repeat this using list. I use the same question for this word, the highest. I mean, and the highest word, 5. So what do you do there? You use 5 there. Are you saying it? That will give you what 15. But the summation of all this will return back to the original expression. Mathematics is fun. So we've gotten that. Let's check the answer. Not just solving. Let's confirm where the answer is inside. That is question 11. Question number 11. The answer is C. I mean C 86. If you have the jam, just browse your phone. If you are watching anywhere around the world, just go to JAM 2023 first question on mathematics, check and solve. If you get that answer exactly, you can look at the floor. Now, that is question number 11. The question number 12. Follow up those like I write my days and password. Question number 12. It's not difficult, but it's fun, man. Please, when I find outside the place, if you are watching me, please help me shave. Help me shave. Don't enjoy math alone.
Don't be stingy.
Don't be stingy. I mean, my math is shade. Candle knows not like another candle. You understand? Shade, let's share the grace of my math in fellowship. We cross all the T's and not all the I's. We don't jump any question. Anywhere around the world, we disgrace mathematics. Question number 12. All these topics you see, they will put it in their jam. So you provide one range of topic. Question number 12. Simplify. Oh, that one is just 1 mark. Why did they bring it here? Okay, as a bonus question.
Yeah.
Okay. At least you have your bonus. Simplify minus b to the power of 3 times minus b squared divided by minus into b to the power of 4. Now, if you observe that up, just like I said, it's bonus. Look at that up. Anytime you see mathematics, don't rush into that part. Check first. Mathematics thinking will give you 500 ways of solving what mathematics. You understand? Sometimes I just look at no, it doesn't like that. Ask yourself, do they have the same base? Yes. This and this are the same base. It's simple, right? Is that correct? So the same base, what do you do? You take a base in the numerator, you add the powers, 3 plus 2. Have you seen what I'm doing?
What's up?
Look at this number is outside the b to the power of 4. It's different from putting this number inside. Very different. So this is going to give you minus b to the power of 5 because minus b to the power of 5 divided by minus into b to the power of 4. Now in this business you can see with me that we can be able to have the corresponding value of minus b to the power of 5 as minus b times minus b times minus b times minus b times minus b. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then you have minus This is minus 1. The minus 1 is minus 1 times into what? B times B times B times B into 4. So minus cancels out minus. Right? Minus cancels out minus. So 1 minus is remaining here. Have you observed? So B times B times B times B times B. This 1B and cancel out this cancel out this cancel out this cancel out this. From there you can see that minus cancel out minus. And the answer will give us what? B. Let's check whether you have B. This is bonus. Number 12. B.
Hold on.
That's
Mass.
option B. Very simple. The train.
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying the business?
Very well.
Now question,
Number
now question
one.
number 12.
Yeah.
Question number 13. I think, don't worry, after 4 hours, we are going for break.
Yeah.
Then you go and relax.
That's 6 hours.
How many hours now?
It should be 1 hour plus.
We started exactly 5 o'clock. Yeah?
It's just 1 hour.
So relax, let's just go for 4 hours.
That's
Until
1
when
hour
you
now.
can finish. Then you can go for break and enjoy yourself and play because all what we do play. Yeah. So after that, we'll give you some comedy, some comic relief.
You got the fight now.
You know, so from there we flow.
Some people are still on
Just
metro.
to you sit down, eh? You can disgrace man, it's not don't go.
People are still on metro.
Please, while sitting there, you can also use your phone to share to your
I've shared it
friends.
already.
Everybody share it. Tell them you are a student. Every time you are saying I'm in show. Put in the comment section. It's not easy to learn mathematics.
Yeah.
Don't forget we are doing DryRun. We're just coming in on Saturday. We do the main business. We are going to solve a lot of mathematics. Every day, from Saturday, every day, day and night. So pray for us so that I have the strength. Because with God, all things are possible. It does not belong to a man that always that make a mistake. But when God is in our case, we are going to become the briefcase. So now let's go to question number 18.
Number what? 18.
Question 18 says, f of x equals to f of x don't come together.
Yeah.
F of x
Equals.
f of x equals to x cubed plus k x squared minus x and this was minus 2.
Find K.
And now,
K is the problem now.
is it if f of x is this, if f of x is this, and if of 1 equals to 0, find k.
This one look.
Don't forget what I told you last time. That f of 1 means don't write x equals 1. And the answer that if you do that,
You must have 0.
answer equals to what? 0. Are you with me?
They tried
So if I bring the question, solution. X to the power of 3 plus k x squared minus x minus 2. You want to find the value of x here.
What of X or K?
The value of k. And we say f of 1 equals to 0. So therefore, wherever we see x, this is f of x. I mean, so f of 1 will now be what? 1 to the power of 3, wherever we say it's equal to 1.
Yeah.
1 to the power of 3 plus k
1.
into 1 squared minus 1 minus 2 is equal to what?
0.
What to the power of 3 is 1. Plus, what do you have there?
K.
K, 1 squared is 1, K times 1 is K. Minus 1 minus 2 equals to 0. So you see that 1 minus 1 is gone. I mean?
Yes, sir.
1 minus 1 is gone. So K minus 2 equals to what? 0. So this one will cross over it.
K equals to
K
2.
will come to what?
2.
0 plus 2, which given by K equals to what? 2. The 0 plus 2 is not 0. It's 0 times 2 is 0, so the answer equals to 2. Let's check whether we have that kind of answer in that question. That was question number 3. That is option D. Option D, the answer equals to 2. We don't fail any question. It's possible for you to have jam on 400 over 400 if all the questions is mathematics. But you solve, the answer is coming out. So 400 over 400 is sure. So if you are writing jam in math, don't be sure that for math you have 40 over 40. It's 40 questions. You solve the 40 questions. If you try number 1, you can't. Leave it immediately, go to number 2. When you finish all, come back. The expression will be there. But once you number 2, you think of number 1. That's how we do it. That's how I do to pass jam. So don't allow someone to tell you, if you write jam, you will fail. Our family doesn't like math. I don't have a good math teacher. I'm not good in mathematics. The former things are passing away. This is the perfect beginning. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
So question number 14. I don't have money to share in the whole world, but I have mathematics to share because this knowledge is from God. And handling is better than handling. So the next question is question number 14. Jam is sweet. A civil servant, civil servant, listen to this question. They don't have to spend money. A civil servant, they don't specify where it's from, acquire money. By saying that that will earns 72,000 naira. That's minimum wage. Civil servant, salary, monthly income, put it like that. Then I want to put it in English. Nobody is interested. Monthly income is 72,000. 72,000 naira per month. Out of which is spent, out of this money, and the person is working, he spent 12% on his children's education. Percentage everywhere. Remember I talked about percentage. 12% of this money is what?
School fees.
12 over 100 times that particular money. I mean,
Yes.
someone buy land, say give me 10% of how much, that is 100,000. 10% of 100,000 is what? 10 over 100 times 100,000. So they say which is spent 12% on children's education. So you can write the children's education. You say you have son or whether the King's Kid Christian schools located at Saturday, that children's education. And how many percent are we talking about? Education is equal to 12% of what you earn, not what your landlord earn, or what your brother earn, or what you saw somebody earning. You use 12% of your money. Are you following me? So remember 12%. Just show me one time. No time to take time. 12 over what?
100.
100 times
72.
72. Look at your naira. Because naira now will be higher than dollars very soon. So don't joke with naira. From the word Nigeria naira. 00. Have you seen that? Very beautiful. Bring your answer 12 times 720. Remember, see. Are you multiply that for me? Make sure you carry a calculator in when we start calculating. Everybody must have a calculator. If you don't have
Yes,
a calculator,
8,640.
what is it?
8,640.
8,640. That is the percentage. If I have spent 12% of 7,000 on education, this is the money spent. 8,640. Let's go to the next point. He spent additional 15% on food. Not the food will drop percentage. So that you get 500 naira. So food. That's a people like us we chop in marriage. 12%, 15% for food, 15% of that same money. That's why the business like civil servant, you need your farm. If this one was a farmer, I would spend 15% for food alone. Whatever that business. Because one business can never make you as a family. That's why we do one master and calculate all the percentage in any business we are doing. So 15%, now we 15 about 100.
Yes, sir.
Times what?
72,000.
The same money, no problem. Any percent, you don't have to calculate different percentage. The same money you are using.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So this, cancel this, bring the 15 out, 15 times 720.
10,800.
10,800.
Is that
10,800.
10,800. Let all of us calculate, so I don't do the same. I don't like using calculator, it's not my hobby. My hobby is to solve maths. I solve math for 500 years, I don't need calculator. Let's go to another point. Now, how much does he have left? My brother, without wasting time, if this is the money he has, this one is gone for children education, and this one is gone for what? Food. You can know what is left now. I mean, it's possible. What do we do? You add these two and subtract from the total income. Yeah? Look that, let's get the answer. Let's get out of here, man.
There is 19,400.
Let's start. Total expenditure. Make it, go as if this thing is in theory.
19,400.
Let's check. Total expenditure will not be what?
19,400.
That is 8,640. 8,640, have it? Plus 10,800. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So that will not be what? What do you have?
19,400.
Tell me. What do you have? Are you on Facebook? What I teach you? If you enter Facebook again, you are going to miss like that of 5 stars. Is that clear? So what's the answer? What do you have?
19,440 naira.
19,440
naira.
40 naira. Don't put the book and naira and enter it and put a comma. So the marker will understand it easily. This is total expenditure. So money that is remaining is easy. Go back to the money you gave, subtract the money you spend, and the game is over. So therefore, remaining money, thank God you don't spend on the house. That's why you can build a house, because if the house rent was it, the money would have finished. You don't hustle, man, you pay your mother house rent. So this is 72,000 naira. Minus what? 19,400 and rest of what do you have? What do you say?
52,560 naira.
52,560. Yeah, that's the remaining money. That's the remaining money. Even if they ask you to take, you spend another 7%. For beer. You can still do it. No matter how much you spend, just go back to the original monthly income. Whatever expenditure of 100, can get money. Whatever expenditure, can get money. No matter how they do it, there's no big deal. You understand? So let's show whether you can get that kind of answer. For those that are watching and having this same question, let's check together. Question number 15. 52,560. That is option C. 52,560. Mathematics, if the only thing that can talk through in life is mathematics, can speak the truth anytime when you solve the answer, is that you cannot lie. If you lie along the way, the answer is lie. There's no big deal. No two ways about it. Mathematics is only subject that speak the truth anytime. Now, question number 15. Don't worry, the next part I'm going to relax. Let's flow. Let's get the fitness. That's why you need to do fitness to be physically fit. Because I'm going around.
Your eye looks sleepy.
That's how you think. Don't worry, that's my eye, you don't know. People that know me, they know me very well. That's my eye. But I'm not seeing for the very first time. The only thing I love is food after maths.
Yeah.
So make sure you prepare my food so I'm here. Yes, so question number 15. For those that have challenges in past question, we are here to help you. They gave me a graph. Oh my God. Cartesian plane. What is the question? In those days we were plotting graph.
Oh, quadratic.
You have to look for a group.
It's quadratic.
Now you have that, and you say this place is minus 2. This place is what? Anytime you have the graph without this arrow, if you plot the graph, and you don't put this arrow, it's not a graph. This arrow shows that the graph is continuous. Starting from origin. If you plot any graph, you put this arrow in the graph. You are just wasting your time. It's not graph. This graph shows that the graph is continuous.
It's a line. It's a line.
So, that is the graph. And they say, which of the following function already represents the curve? They gave you option. They say option A, y equals to x squared minus x minus 6. Option B, y equals to x squared plus x. Y equals to x squared. Y equals to 6 minus x squared. B, y equals to 6 plus x minus x squared. This is the option they gave to you. And they say from this graph, which of this option suit well for the graph? Now, the only way you can do it easily is for you to look, because in the graph, where this graph cut in the x-axis is the solution of the graph. Are you following me? Where this graph cut at the x-axis is the solution of the graph. So in this case, the solution of the graph here, from this other side, x
It's minus.
is equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 2, or x equals to what? 3. Minus 2. That's the solution. These are the two solutions. And for you to be able to get an equation, we have two methods of solving to get equations. There's a formula that says that you have x squared minus
alpha
sum of roots
alpha plus beta
x plus what?
alpha
Root
beta.
dots equal to 0. This is the general formula. And we have two equations here, this and this. You can use this to get the equation. You can also use the expansion method to still get the same answer. So if you want to do this now, x squared minus sum of roots x plus root dots equals to 0. So in this case we have x squared minus, what is the sum? Sum means multiply the two. I mean, sum is multiplication.
Sum.
Sum means you add. Product means multiply. So in this case we add minus 2 plus what? 3. Why you write 3 before minus 2 is the same thing. Then plus product means multiply the root. That is minus 2, then multiply with 3 equals to 0. So then we have x squared minus into 3 minus 2 is 1. Is equal to 1x. Then here is what? Minus 6 equals to 0. So that gives us what? X squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. Do we have anything like that in that equation? Do you have any question? Do you have anything like that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Option
That's
A.
option what?
A.
A. So the answer is option A. But if you don't use this method now, there's another method, expansion method.
Yeah.
What do you mean expansion method is that?
That will be x plus 2.
In this question we have y x equals to minus 2 or x equals to 3. So when is one crossover? You have
X
a
minus
minus 1
x
plus,
plus
I mean,
x plus 2.
that's plus 2. I mean,
X
or what?
minus
This
2.
one was what?
X minus
X minus 3. So you know if you add them up, the product
multiply.
of a sum, will give you the equation.
Yeah.
So the value will now be x plus 2
X
and what?
minus 3.
X minus 3 equals to 0. So now from there, expand this. What is x times x?
X squared
X squared, x times minus 3.
minus 3x.
2 times x.
2x
2 times minus 3
minus x.
equals to 0. So the value will now be x squared minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus x. Remember, I just said minus 3 plus 2.
Yeah.
Minus x minus 6. You still have the same answer with this one. So any of the one you're using, you should get the same answer. So that is the answer in that option. Copy that. Let's proceed.
We are done. Let's go.
I want to use this other board. This other board. Let me enjoy the board.
Right.
It's a foreign board.
Okay.
It's been long I've not touched foreign board. Very virgin board. Let me virgin the board. Alright, let's go. This is
They are laughing at you online.
the next question is question number what?
16.
That was 16, I mean.
No, that's 15.
We are going to question number 16. Oh, this board is nice, man. Very sweet. Are you good? Question 16 says, if 3x minus y equals to 8, then 5x plus 2y equals to 12. What did they ask us to find? They say find. They say by how much? This jump to them. Now the same question. By how much is 11x greater than 18? 3x minus y equals to 8. 5x plus y equals to 5. Is it? By how much is 11x greater than 18? This is a very technical question. They don't say find x or y. You understand? But you use the same process of spontaneous solution. Either use the equation method or solution method. So if I call this equation 1, I call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, 3x minus y equals to 8. I want to find y. This one plus about 3x minus 8 equals to y. This is what I'm reading. This one cross over. I want to find y. I want to know why something for now. Y cross comes to plus to minus. Is that correct? You can also say that y equals to what? 3x minus 8. Will not change. Equals to b equals to a. So you can interchange integration 2. I don't have so much equation 1. We still have back that same equation. So what we have to do is put equation 3. If I put that one of the words 5x, whenever I see y, I put this. The question was 5x plus 2y equals to 12. That was the given expression. Okay? So from that way, we see that 5x plus 2 into this by y, 3x minus 8 equals to 12. I'll replace this value of y with what I have here as y. So now let me have 5x plus multiply 2 times what do you have? 6x. Then 2 times minus is what?
16.
Minus 16 equals to 12. So you see that 5x plus 6 is what?
11x.
11 is 11x equals to 12.
11x.
This one can cross the other side.
Yes, sir.
What do we have?
11x equals to
11x
12
equals
plus
to
12
12
plus 16.
plus 16. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
So therefore,
11x
11x equals to 12 plus 16.
28.
So are you with us? Is it very far from your understanding? 11x equals to 12 plus 16, which is what?
28.
Eh?
28.
28.
8.
We cannot solve the value of x here. But that was not a question. Look at what is the question. Look at the question here. By how much is 11x greater than 18? So you can observe that in that question we have 11x. Have you observed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
But we don't have our 18. But we can make 18 from 28. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
How would that be? We can split. If we take 18 minus 10, we have 18. Have it? So about 11x. And we as what? 18 plus 10. Have it? So 18 plus 10, we are getting back to closer to the answer. So if you say by how much 11 is better than 18, the answer equals to 10. So the answer equals to 10. Because 10 is how much 11x better than what? 18. So the answer is 10. Let's show where we have different answer like that there. That's a very technical question. So let's show where we are going to have something like 10. Please, people that are watching, please check whether you have K as an option. I don't want to forge mathematics. Let's check. Yes, that is B. I've seen K, and that is the answer. Every reasonable doubt. Go to court. That is the answer. Question number 17. Don't be tired, you will finish. But time paper. You are the time paper. Eh? How many hours are we using?
Just 1.5 hours.
Eh?
Yeah, 1.5. 2 hours, 21 minutes.
Since you have 1 hour and 10, so relax. Let's discuss that. When I'm teaching, I don't like rushing.
Yes, yes.
Not my friend there. What's your name? Little bit, you know, my
No, you
student.
need
What's your
question
name?
in math.
That name. What's your name?
Especially maths.
Young devil. Are you following up? So we are not doing DryRun. When we start the real maths, in this one I'll give you 5 minutes to interrupt. This one I'm helping Jan bite. I want to take Jan and following me up outside there. You have any brother that is doing Jan, shake, call him. Say we did like that's the morning. Because the children will sleep maybe from that kind of 12 morning. If you see Johnson, maybe relax, then from where you pick up. That morning, you feel that at that thing. So we think we teach in the morning. Then from where we now start that jam basket, so that's how we do. I don't want the straight to stay till morning. You cannot stay. So, this is the kind of studies. See, look at how this boy is making the hand and the beautiful.
But in book is not like this.
In book, I don't use book now, I'm a teacher. I use board and cane. Next time, come with cane. If you don't answer the question, I will flog you.
You don't use cane here.
Alright, the next thing is, you see the way we use different board. You give me time, you write this one, I'll come back to this. Yeah? Manager, are you following up?
Yes.
Math cantata.
This one is calling me, yes, I don't know what I can do this. That's why they call me bro, I don't know what I can stop. Bro, medium and good. Call me, I'm going to glory school.
People are laughing at you at online.
Alright, please. Question number 16. Oh, I love this question. I love this question. I used to love this question. Guys, I love it. Very sweet. I love it. It's a question that if you don't really understand mathematics, you fumble. They don't say find x. They say by how much you should have x greater than 18. Oh my God. John. Don't worry. This time around, every jam I'm going to be doing jam online math class for 1 month. Back to back. Let me see how people will fail mathematics in jam.
Do for this one.
I will bring out all my teachers to be together.
Yeah, like I want snap.
Somebody will join, everybody will join. Let's load. Question number 17. Nation.
You bring unplug them.
The bedrock of mathematics. Divided by root 5 minus root 2 equals to a plus b root 10. Where a and b are rational numbers. A and b are rational numbers. They say find a minus b. So we are going to create this. We want to find a minus b. Find a minus b. So what do we do? We now say solution. This is 5 plus 4 root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. Now what do we do here? We rationalize. What do I say? Rationalize. Rationalization says, God bless you, that water. That's like you have to have a good principal. I will promote you.
From principal to protect the
Let's let me drink water. In my mouth is water is called H2O. So now, rationalization means multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. In this case, if you have
What did you say?
A over root B, it's not, we cannot present something like this, you have to scale it down. We have to rationalize because we don't want to scale it down. So in this case, we rationalize by saying we have A over the root of B times the root of B over the root of B. What do we do when we multiply the up and the down by the down? Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
So this is going to give us what? A root B over root B times root B is
Over
B.
B.
Why is it B? Is because root B times root B is equal to what? The root of B times B, which is the root of B squared. The first now is to have what? B. So, but in this case, now, we have a balance. We have a combination of root 5 and root 2 in the minus. So when we want to rationalize this, we multiply with the conjugates. What do I mean by conjugates? This, how about I come to this side? Conjugates. In conjugate, what we do in conjugate is that if you have A plus the root of B, the conjugate is A minus the root of B. If you have x root b plus 4 root 3, the conjugate is what? X root b minus 4 root 3. The difference is that the plus will turn to a minus. If this plus was minus, it will turn to what? A plus. So that's conjugate. So coming to this question now. Coming to this question. The conjugate of this, conjugate of root 5 minus root 2 will now be what? Root 5 plus root 2. Are you following me? Yeah. So you multiply the numerator and numerator by the conjugate. So this does now be what? 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2 times the conjugate. Conjugate is what? Root 5 plus root 2 divided by what? Root 5 plus root 2. Look at what is happening here. It's not magic. If I cancel out this, bam, bam, it's gone and it's done back with this. Have you seen that? If I cancel out this, maybe I'm angry. I say, two of you go out. I still get down additional expression. So, it doesn't affect what we had before. So now when we do that, we have to multiply. Bring this together. This, we have 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2, root 5 plus root 2. That is for the up. Okay? For the down, what do we have? Root 5 minus root 2, then root 5 plus root 2. Have you seen that? So we have to multiply this. There's what we call similar sum. In similar sum, if you have root A times root A, the answer is A. So if you have root 5 times root 5, the answer is 5. You know why? Because root 5 times 5 is what? Root 25. And what is root 25? 5. So if you have this to multiply, you multiply the coefficient with the coefficient, the root with the roots. What do I mean? If you have A root x times B root x, they are similar sum, but they have different coefficients. You multiply the coefficient with the coefficient, the sum with the sum. So this is going to be what? A times B into what? X times x, which is what? AB into x squared, which is what? AB, then x. So that's the thing happening here. So this and this, multiply that. 2 root 5 times root 5 will now be 2 times 5. You know why? Because root 5 times root 5 is what? 5. Bring it. So are you following me?
Yeah.
Now plus, you are using this to multiply with this and this. Also use this to multiply with this and this. That's what we are doing. So this times this is this. Now this times this, they are not similar sort again. But this person is what? 2 root 5 times what? Root 2. That will be what? 2 root 10. They are not similar sort. That's why it says root A times root B equals to root AB. That's A times B. So now, if I multiply this with this, I get this. But this with this will not give us what? 2 root 10. Are you following me? I have finished with this guy. I don't want to use 142.
Ten.
4 root 10. Because 2 times 5 is 10. That will now be what? Plus 4 root 10. Now, what else? 4 root 2 times root 2.
That will be 4 times 2.
That will be 4 times 2.
That's 8.
4 root 2. That will be what?
4 times 2.
Plus 4 times 2. Why is it 4 times? Because 4 times this invisible one here is 1. Then root 2 times root 2 is what? 2. Now in this down, we can do the same thing. But to make it easy for you, please listen. Anytime you have a case in math, that the same thing here is the same thing here. The same thing here is the same thing here. But just that the sign differs. That you have a minus in one, you have a plus in one. Where the plus is in the left hand side, or where it's in the right hand side, we call it difference of two squares. We call it what? Difference of two squares. So at this point, this one is never difference of two squares. Let me take it off the special place. Space, come on.
Come on. Hey,
Difference of two squares is if you have A plus B and A minus B. Let's multiply this as what will happen. What is A times A?
A square.
Eh?
A square.
A times minus B minus AB. B times A plus AB. I mean,
Yeah.
B times what? Minus B squared. Minus AB plus AB is gone. Is that true?
0.
This and this is gone.
Yeah.
What do you have?
A square minus B square.
So you can agree with me that A squared minus B squared equals to A plus B and what? A minus B. This is what is happening from here. You get this. So this is what we call difference of two squares. Difference
Of 2 squares.
of two squares. We also have difference of two cubes.
Yeah.
And so on and so on. So coming back to this idea here, look at this one. This and this are the same.
Yeah.
Have you seen that? So instead of expanding it the way we do it up,
You cancel the
you can do it down.
Cancel the 2. Jump.
So this person now be difference of two squares. Take one as square. Root 5 square minus root 2 square. It's the same rule there over what you see. So going back to the up, this is what? 10. 2 times 1 is what? 10. Plus, what do you have there? These are similar sort. Similar sort means what you get here is what you get here, retain. When you have a similar sort, what you do is that you add the coefficients. What's the coefficient here? 2. What's the coefficient here? 4. I mean, so 2 plus 4 is what?
8.
That
6,
means
sorry.
6 root 10. Then plus, what is 4 times 2?
8.
Divided by, this one will cancel out this. 5 minus this is what you have. So from that point you are going to get this person now 10 plus 8. You don't need to add this 10 with this 6. If you do that, we call it psychiatric mathematics. Because it's the coefficient of this routine. And this is the ratio. So you bring 10 and add with 8. That's going to give us what?
18
18 plus
root 10.
6 root 10. Do you understand? Come on, my feet.
Yeah.
Yes. 5 minus 2
It's 3.
is 3. Don't forget the rule that we are having. This is our target. Our math should be of this form. A plus B root 10. So at this level, we can split this from your observation.
3.
There's 3 in 18.
Yeah.
There's 3 in 6, have you?
Yes.
So you want to give it this way, you can write this is by partial fraction. This 18 over 3 plus what? 6 root 10 over 3. Is that right?
6.
That's my answer. Alright. So this is partial fraction because if you take it up, you have this. You split. In mathematics, you have A plus X over B. Is that what you are saying? A over B plus X over B. That was happening here. So at this point, this cancels out how many times?
6 times.
Eh?
6.
6 plus this cancels how many times?
2.
2 over what? Root of 10. So you see, we are putting of this form now. If you compare this with this form, you're going to get what? A plus 2 root 10. Let me see that, sorry. If you want to check A plus B root 10, see that this, compare this with this. Eh?
So A equals to 6.
A equals to what?
6. A equals to 2.
And B equals to what?
2.
Because look at this. You show this in common. Have you seen that?
Yes.
The question was to find what? A minus B. So we gotten A, we gotten B, so therefore A minus B
4.
will now be equals to what? 6 minus 2. What's the answer?
4.
Let's show where we have 4 in that option. This for those that have been that past question, check. If you don't have 4, come out from the living. I'm not worried to become a man. Check, have you seen it? That is D, question number 17, option D, 4. Take that one. Nobody can arrange you.
Nice call. That's a pick 4. Yeah.
Please let me do one job.
Let me go and bring mama.
Break. Oh yeah, whatever.
How about the Please let's break this so that remove this and let me speak with my people. How many hours have we got there?
Hold on. Should we end the line? We end the line.
No.
Go end.
It's not because I shall not.
Yeah, the light has to go back.
Let me speak. Let me speak. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have been able to finish question number, that was question number 17 in that jam. So let's go to Question number 18. Question number 18.
Let me see your notes. So let's mark notes. Let's mark notes. Yeah, some people have not written anything.
Alright, let's proceed. We have less than 1 hour to continue before we relax and come back the second session. So at this point, question number 18. A binary operation on set R.
What?
Of real numbers is defined by A asterisk B.
What's the question?
Equals to AB minus let's say the question well, no mistake. Minus B plus 7 for all x for all A and B belonging to real numbers. Now they say find find 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 4. Now solution. When you question is have to work on the bracket first.
Yes, I didn't get the question well.
The question is a binary operation on the set R
Binary operation.
of real numbers is defined by write this. Are you there? For all A, B, you see that right up there. They gave you this. They said find this. That is bad. I give you the final rule. They can change it to something like maybe AB over B, something different. But what you do is that they will specify what you are going to solve. Are you following me? So now you have to work on the bracket first. The bracket says 2 asterisk 3. First, don't forget what this formula. We are using this formula to solve whatever I want to solve this. Look at the formula. In this case, you can agree with me that using this version, A dot B, that this place is A and this place is B. Are you following me?
Yeah.
So in that case, using this expression, using this first bracket, This does not be what? A is what?
8 times.
Two.
2 times 3.
Into 3. Then minus what is B? 3 plus 7. I'll give us what? This what?
6
6 minus 3 plus 7. What is minus 3? 3. 3 plus 7 is what? 10. We are finished with this place. So we now bring it up. This answer is 10. So this does not be what? 10 as there is 4. Because this place has been replaced with 10. Are you following me now? Huh? So from that point, we now use this, still using the same design rule, the given function of the binary operation. So we are still using this principle now. In this case, my A is what?
10.
What is my A?
10.
And what is my B?
4.
So do that, let's see. This goes to now be what? 10 into 4, still using this guy here, minus B. What is B? 4 plus 7 from still this expression. So what is 10 times 4?
40.
40 minus 4 plus 7. What is 40 minus 4?
Minus 3.
40 minus 4 is
Okay, sorry.
86.
3.
Is this plus 7 will give us
86.
what? 43. That's the last answer. Please everybody check. If you have the past question. Check right now 43. Let's check. That was question number what?
Number 18.
Question number 18 is what we are solving.
18, not 8.
And I see the D of that question there. That D is 43, and that is the answer. Mathematics can speak the truth very well. Let's go to the next question. That's question number 18. Let's go to question number 19. Number 19, can you use the other side of the board? In case you are still copying this.
You're done.
We are still copying this one. Let me go to this other board. Please, if you have any of your friends, your relatives, share this video for them to learn mathematics. This, our page will be like this, we teach mathematics like throughout the week. After tomorrow, another person will come in before I come back for the main Mathathon, which is happening on Saturday. So just subscribe, stay and learn math. Any challenge you have, go in the comment section. After the class, I will check and solve for you. Or you can DM me. Feel free. This is the job of paradise. So question 19. Find the equation of a straight line through point 3 minus 4. I want to solve this part. See, that part is very sweet. Let me solve it with this side. It's elaborate.
So what?
But I do this. Twin prominence. Are you Germans? You know, when we enter the main mathematics, we are going to disgrace maths. If you enter my class for 1 week, you are the dawn in mathematics. It's not my power, it's God. God that gave us wisdom. He said, share this wisdom to everybody. So as I'm teaching you, please teach others. Because candle loses nothing from that another candle. Question number 19. Find the equation of the straight line. Draw points. Let me say point A Is it that point they give a particular point? Three and minus 1 are perpendicular to again the question 2x plus 3y equals to 3. That is the point. Is it perpendicular to that? So let's present this equation in a linear form of equation. You know, the linear form of equation is y equals to mx plus c.
Yeah.
I mean?
Yeah.
So the gave us this equation. We say 2x plus 3y equals to 3. You know, if you present this question like this, we will be able to find this is the slope. This place stands for the slope. I mean,
Yeah.
this place
Constant.
stands for the intercepts. So if you express this equation in such a way that we make y something of formula or something of expression, we are going to see the corresponding value of the slope and the intercept. So therefore from here, 3y will now be what? If you cross this over, that will be what? Minus 2x plus 3. 3y stays one crossover. I want to make sure we have y here. We have a constant here. So from that point, to remove this 3 as a coefficient of y, we multiply all through by 3. So you now say multiply through by 3.
Multiply or divide? Are we multiply or divide?
Dividing through by 3. Three y over 3 equals to minus 2x over 3 plus 3 over 3. So you see that from here, this cancels out this. I mean,
Yeah.
so y is now left alone because my target was to make sure y is left alone. When y is left alone, we can now proceed. So therefore y will now equals to minus 2 over 3x
Plus 1.
plus this one is how many times 1. So with this expression, we can get our slope and intercept. Because we compare this with the original expression. What is my slope?
2
Minus
2
1.
over 3.
What is my intercept?
1.
So therefore that place will not be my slope m equals to minus 2 over 3 and my intercept c equals to what? So recall what they say in that question. They say that this point is perpendicular. Perpendicular line is that the slope equals to minus 1 over m. The perpendicular line, the slope, the perpendicular line, perpendicular, the slope is minus 1 over m. So in that case, if you have the slope to be minus 1 over 3, the perpendicular slope so that will be minus 1 over what is my m? Minus into minus 2 over 3. Which is not this one is minus minus. You invert. That's 1 times 3 over 2. You see, answer is what? 3 over 2. That's the perpendicular slope now. Because the equation is perpendicular. Anything perpendicular is minus 1 over the original original slope. So we now get that at the slope. You can now return back to the original expression. The original expression is that y equals to mx plus c. So therefore my y will now be m is what? 3 over 2. That's the value of x of m in that place. So that 3 over 2, I give you 3 over 2 plus c. We can multiply all through by 2. Multiply all through by 2 that we can remove that 2. Multiply through by 2 plus another what? 2y equals to 3x plus 2 Now with this, we have the value of x and y given. So since we have the value of x and y given, we see that we can substitute in this expression. Whenever we see x, we put 3. Whenever we see y, we put what? Minus 1. We can get what? C. That means that we are writing
Has it finished?
so we can bring it up here. All right. Now you can agree with me that from the given expression, which is like a perpendicular, we have been able to get the corresponding value of y. Then we subtract the perpendicular value to get this. Now with this, we can get c. But what is remaining is the constant c. We get y given, we get x given. So therefore from that point, y equals to 3x plus 2c. X is given 3. Y is given minus 1. We can get c here. So that means 2 into minus 1 equals to 3 into what is x? Plus 2c. So 3 times what? Minus 2 equals what? 3 times 3? 9 plus 2c. And this one comes out minus 2 minus 9 equals to 2c. So therefore, minus 11 equals to 2c. And my c will now be what? Minus 11 over 2. So since we are able to get the value of c, we can now substitute x, y, and z in this expression and get the corresponding equation we are looking for. So now let's see what is happening here. From original expression that was given, that y equals to mx plus c. My y will now be, what's my slope? What's the slope? What's the slope? You got slope somewhere. 3 over 2. That will be 3 over 2x. But what is the c? Minus 11 over 2. It was 2 by 2. By 2y will now be what? 3x minus 11. So that is the equation. Let's see what we have an answer. That was question number 19. Was question 19. Look at the question 2y equals to 3x minus 11. Now, in this question, there's a way they present answers in cases like this. If they don't present this answer like that, they can turn this one to the other side of the equation. If you want to present it the way they do here, they put 3x before y, meaning that if you want to do it this way, it's going to be equal to, they put 3x before the y, you can put it like this. 3x, bring the value of 3x down, so that you're going to get this particular value here. The x will come before y, meaning that the y will cross over the negative side of the answer, which is still the same. This is how the answer will look like from the way they write in that option. They write x before y, meaning that from here you have 3 3x. This one crosses and becomes minus 2y equals to 3x cross and minus 2y. This will become. Is it the same answer? Is it the same answer? Is it the same answer? You put x before y, that's what I'm talking about. I want to put x, you can say like this, 3x minus 11 equals to 2y. I mean, is that correct? So from this one will come 3x minus 2y equals to 11. Is that the same answer? This is what they put in that answer, which is correct. So 3x minus 2y equals to 11. That is answer option B. So that is very correct. Answer option B. That was question 19. Very sweet question.
Storage, AI switch.
Now question 20 is a bonus question. Can I get this side?
No, I'm right. Almost blank.
So let's write in the other side of the board. Question 20. While I like jam, if you don't know math, then we cannot solve jam. Because jam contains all topics, including math and further math. Serial. Are you still with me? No one, this is just past quiz. I'm only getting the main business. You flow from the beginning. You will not be lost. Eh? Not be lost. So question number 20. So 20 says, what is the equation of a straight line? Throw points. We give the first point A minus 1 and 3. Then points B 2 and minus 1. What is the equation of a straight line? Throw that point. The first thing you do is to find the slope. I mean, we now get the slope. Remember the formula of equation of a straight line has with 2 points. Slope of 2 points m equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. In this question, this is like x1, y1, x2, and y2. Are you following me? So you can solve this for me, it's easy. y2 minus 1 minus y1, 3 divided by x2 minus x1. Why I have 2 minus there? x2, 2, minus of the rule minus the 1 of x1. Remember when I said this, I started to show you all these signs. You know that I'm going to be using it all the time. So therefore, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 divided by what? Minus 1 is plus. Is that true? That is minus, and the minus value is plus. And what is 2 plus 1? Tell me, what is 2 plus 1? You're supposed to know that one. You just say, brother, 1 plus 1. So it's 3, I mean? That is the slope. My slope m is that. But that was not the question. Yeah? The question was to do what? The equation of a straight line. So when they give you a equation of a straight line of this form, can I get this off?
Yeah.
If you stay with me for 1 week, either online or offline, and you don't know maths,
Forget it.
my brother,
You need prayers.
you need to format your brain. Because I take time to do it step by step. I don't rush. I mean,
Yes, sir.
so the question was to find the equation and they gave us 2 points. You get 2 points, with the 2 points, you get the slope. I mean, so if you want to get the equation of the straight line of 2 points, what you now know is that there's a formula that talks about it, which is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. We've gotten m already. You can see put it as y minus y1 equals to what? y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, then x into x minus x1. This is, from this guy we have this. That's what we have gotten there. You can see something like this representing. You get me? You can see something about this way, because this is the level to get. This is the level to get the value of this. Now we have my value of m. Let me drop it this way. X minus x1. Know that the m is what we got there. And the x1, y1, we got it already. So from here now, y minus, what is my y1? What's my y1 there? 3. Equals to what is the m? Minus 4 by 3. Are you following me? Now into x1, what is my x1? Minus 1. Are you there? So that will now be what? Y minus 3 equals to what? Minus 4 over 3 into open this round, you have x plus 1. Is that clear now? So anytime you have a function like this, multiply all through with that 3. That 3 will go out. Sharp, sharp. So this is going to be what? 3y minus 3 times this what? 9 equals to minus 1, what the 3 is gone, into what? X plus 1. So we now arrange to have 8. What do you have there? Instead of 3. So 3y minus 9 equals to minus 4 times what? Minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 1 is what? Minus 4. So from that point, we have that that will be 3y. This one can cross become what? Plus 4x equals to what? Minus 4 plus what? 9. So therefore 3y plus what? 4x equals what minus 4 plus 9? 5. So that is the equation. If you present it this way, that's the equation. If you can use y plus some expression, you can still get it from the equation. Let's check. 3x their own to call. Don't know with 3y. See this answer. So when you solve, it's not that it's wrong. Check and rearrange. That's 10 minutes. We're going to solve about 20 questions. 16 minutes. Don't worry, after 4 hours we relax. That's how we are going to be doing it. 4 hours we relax. The relaxation will be 5 minutes, we come back. So that we can give the other minute to sleep. I'm supposed to be the one to shout, I'm standing.
No sleeping.
Alright. Question number 21. 21. This is integration. Is a find y if dy over the x equals to 2 cos 2x. This is the kind of question I like, differentiation, integration. If I wish, I can put all the equations from beginning to the end. Differentiation, integration will disgrace the business. Now remember the laws of differentiation. This is integration. Because they give you, they say find y. The derivative of this answer is this. So if you want to get y, we integrate. Are you getting me? If they give you a value of dy by the x and say find y, you integrate. But if the question was y, they say find y over the x, you differentiate. So in this case, we are going to integrate the big y. So therefore my y will now be equals to the integral of 2 cos 2x. That integral means integrates. And recall that if we are told this, when you are coming for a main class, buy hardcover for your best interests. one with ruler, biro, pencil, calculator. So that you enjoy the business called mathematics. As I'm flowing, you flow with me. Because God being by my side, I can stand here for the next 1 year. Because let me do the stats on our angels. The name of my team with the my brain, you know that thing with me. My friend, my last one. Are you enjoying? Someone that feels like someone sleep. Thou shalt not sleep, 11 commandments. Alright, please. Integration. If you differentiate, if y equals to sine x, the y over the x equals to cos x.
Yeah.
But if you integrate,
Minus
integral
of sin x
of sine x
is minus
will now equals to minus
cos x.
plus c. That constant, and when you will differentiate it, that constant is 0. When you integrate, you bring back that constant. And so, I want to integrate cos. If y equals to cos x, y over the x equals to minus sine x. But if you integrate cos x, the integral of cos x will give you sine x plus c. If differentiation of sine is cos, but integration of sine is minus cos. But if you integrate, if you differentiate cos, you have minus sine. But if you now integrate cos, you have sine. Because this is as if in reverse. The reverse of this gives us this. Because a minus outside here with the cos of this will give us a minus sign. That is it. But we integrate a minus. Now I want to integrate this. Let's look up. Don't make noise. You don't integrate this value here. Our integrate is you can take this to R. And also, if this place was cos x,
And there is no 2020.
look up. We have got the differentiated cos x in x.
It's not the same.
Now, since I've introduced 2 cos x, differentiation will be introduced with the x. Anytime you integral, put the x in because we are integrating it with respect to the x. So in this case, you integrate this to get it to R, you have integral of what? Cos 2x dx. And in the context of integration, you can apply the same method here by saying, let u equals to 2x. Look up. So I say equals to 2x, never means that by the u over the x equals to differentiate 2x, you have 2. So therefore my 2 the x will now be equals to what? The u. If I cross multiply. Okay? So therefore my the x will now be what? The u over 2. So in that case, whenever I see 2x, I put u. Whenever I see the x, I put this. So therefore I can say 2 integral of what? Cos 2x dx can be equal to what? 2 into cos. What is 2x? U. Now because u. And what is the x? The u over 2. This can cancel out this. So you have what? Integral of what? Cos u u. If you differentiate x, you integrate x. Differentiate x, the x. If you integrate u, you integrate u, the u. So if you differentiate cos u, what do you have to differentiate cos? Sine. So therefore this will now be equal to what? And then we have this place will now be what? Sine u plus c. So you need to integrate plus c. That will now be 1 sine, that will be sine We just back to you. Don't forget this was 2 here, and it's also sin use what? What is my u?
Or use also 2x.
Sin 2x plus c. That's the answer. But the shortcut to this in the kind of jam like that, this person was in theory, this one to do. In like the kind of this person that is jam, the shortcut is what you do is that you have to say, let me use your hand for the shortcut so that you see. Let me use this side. How will I come? Now, I want to do that shortcut of that equation. Why? Equals the integral of 2 cos 2x dx. I mean, this 2 is not integrated. That is 2 integral of cos 2x dx. What to do is that if you differentiate cos, what do you have? Differentiate cos, you have, if you integrate cos, you have sin. That will be 2 sin 2x over, differentiate this inside, differentiate. If you differentiate 2 is what do you have? 2. Write the 2 down. Let's cancel this. What do you have? Sin 2x plus c. That's the distance. Don't waste time. If the question was, let me say, integral of 3 sin 4x dx. But let me say 4 sin 4 dx, for example. If you turn side, what do you have? Minus cos. What will be minus cos 4x? I mean, minus 4 cos 4x divided by differentiate this. Minus. Okay? What is the standard way of solving it? There's a law standard. Okay, the question is in the theory. What we found one thing. That was question number 21. So 22. Evaluate the definite integral. Evaluate the definite integral. That was one.
I mean, that one said go. See, they didn't charge this one. Okay, she ain't go soon finish. Huh? 4 minutes remaining. No worry. No worry. 4 minutes remaining. Okay.
Now let's solve this as the last before we break and come back after 80 minutes. Now I give you this question. They say, find this is a definite integral. It has a region from -1 to 1. We have so many ways of solving it. We can expand this. We can also solve it like this. You see how the same answer. I want to get that. So if you want to do it like this, we keep the integral, integrate this first. If you say, let u equals to what? X minus 1. Okay?
Yes.
So therefore you can see that this will now be what? Now the integral of 1 minus 1, then u squared dx. Is that true? Yeah? I substitute u here. This is going to square the x. Yeah? We cannot integrate u with the x. We need to find something to substitute here from this expression. Are you getting it? So my du over the x equals 1. When we integrate x is 1. If we integrate minus 1 is gone. So you can agree with me that with this, my du equals to the x because I must multiply half this. So wherever I get the u, I can put the x because I've proven it. So therefore that will give us what? I will be integral of 1 minus 1 u squared du. You cannot integrate that. Ready? So that will now be integrate. Anytime you play integration, you don't put the integral sign again. Because going to be u in the power of what? If you integrate integral
You add 1.
of x and the x equals to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Yeah? So going back here, this is n is 2. Now we u to the power of 3 over 3, that's 2 plus 1. Now you open this, the integral of 1 and minus 1. Meaning that if you finish integration, and don't forget u was x minus 1. Huh? You have to replace back. You don't substitute this here, unless you have a mental problem. You have to replace back u. Given this was going to be what? X minus 1 to the power of what? 3 divided by 3 into 1 and minus 1. So at this level now we cannot substitute the upper and the lower limits of the integral. So this does now be x minus 1 to the power of 3, then 3, then write 1 on one side minus what? X minus 1 to the power of 3, you now put minus 1 on this side. So wherever I see x,
Put 1.
eh? So this doesn't now be what?
1.
1 minus 1 all to the power of 3, then 3. We finish that side. Minus 1, this was 3 here. Minus 1 to the power of 3, then 3. You know to put minus 1 there. So at that point we have 1 minus 1 is 0. I mean?
Yeah.
0 to the power of 3 is 0. 0 over 3 is what? 0. That place is 0 minus. This minus 1 minus 1 is what? Minus 2 to the power of 3 divided by 1. So this must now be what? Minus 8. This is minus 8 all over 3. Minus 1 is therefore 8. You don't put plus c because it's a definite integral that has specified limits. This is complete limits. So let's check whether you have integral. Let's see whether you have something like that. Eight over 3, how many do you have in 8? How many do you have in 8? 2, have you? That is 2 whole number. How many? What's your name? Is that? 2 whole number, 2 over 3. Let's check. That's question number 2b. 2 whole number, 2 over 3. If you don't want to go like this, you can expand and integrate. So that's the same answer. That's what I want for this week. Or you can get this up. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for staying with us and enjoying mathematics. like never before. That is just a dry run. We're just testing, just a test run. You see whether we're ready and have the full class here. Come on, you can talk to the class. When the class waves with people, let them wave, just wave. Wave the people that are watching you. Wave, we have this. These are students, and you see the beauty of this math is that I'll break the record with the student. The longest mathematics lesson, the longest mathematics student teacher, okay, the longest mathematics teacher and the longest students. And that's my project manager over there. He has to be the principal of my school.
Longest mathematics.
And that's the principal, and that's the gentleman. We are enjoying ourselves. And trust me, if you are with us, you're going to enjoy mathematics like never before. So God bless you all. That's our first book, right? That's Facebook. Okay. So this one is what? YouTube. Let YouTube people go a break. I want to go adverts now. You understand? And so for those people that are there, enjoy yourself. You know, I want to tell you that by all indication we have admission vision by one law. Hence campus. Like that on Saturday. Come inside. Not many months.